What's poppin', chef? In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made my Mucha Lucha remix on FL Studio. Now, I already opened up the track for you already, as you can see, and I'm gonna play it for you if you haven't heard it already. Lucha! Now, I want to first show you how I did the chops. Now I'll go to pattern 3. The Mucha Lucha chops I just showed you will be available for download in the description below, so you guys can play around with it. In the next video, I'll be using these exact same Mucha Lucha chops on top of another sample, probably from an anime or something. But until then, I'll see you in the next one.